Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Tony Best Cosmetics. In this channel I gives review about skincare and haircare products. So today I will discuss more about Neutrogena oil-free acne wash, but before I start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Neutrogena oil-free acne wash is dermatologist recommended acne cleanser. Contains a powerful acne treatment and cleanser to treat and help prevent breakout. Eliminate oil and unclog pores while its medicine treats breakouts and blackheads. It treat and help prevent breakouts in one simple step, with this powerful acne treatment and cleanser. Not only does the oil-free formula gently cleanse deep into pores for clear skin, it contains salicylic acid to help get rid of acne and help prevent future breakouts. Plus, the special skin soothers help leave skin not feeling dry. Dermatologist recommended acne-fighting facial cleanser. Rinses clean without overdrying or irritating skin. Oil-free, non-comedogenic formula won't clog pores. How to use Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. Cleanse twice a day, wet face and apply to hands, add water and work into a lather, massage face gently, and rinse thoroughly. Precaution before using Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. 1. Skin irritation and dryness is more likely to occur if you use another topical acne medication at the same time. 2. Avoid contact with eyes. If contact occurs, flush thoroughly with time. 3. Keep out of reach of children. 4. If swallowed, get medical help or contact a poison control center right away. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.